Greetings and welcome to How-To series for Oppo f23 smartphone.
If you have this smartphone and you want to show the real-time network speed on your status bar, then this is the video for you. We will also show you how you can change the battery percentage style. So let's begin. Firstly, open the settings and there scroll down and then click on the option notification and status bar. After that, click on status bar and now enable the feature show the real-time network speed. Now your internet speed will be shown on the status bar. Now to change the battery icon, click on battery style and now you can select whichever the icon you want. Like here I select the circular one and now you can see on the top it shows the battery in circular form. So that's how you can show internet speed and change the battery icon. I hope you like the video. Click on subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, have fun.